CASCOS, lifting professionals. First lift connected to a smartphone. 4.0 maintenance. This guarantees faster and more cost-effective diagnostics. Through the app access to geolocate your lifts, as well as check information about inspections or error codes. The technical service will record in the app all effectuated maintenance and repair works. The lift can be locked and unlocked with a password. Greater control on the lifting process. Full useful information for workshop optimization. Total number of cycles, partial cycles, total time lifted, next maintenance date, among others. Completely safe Bluetooth connectivity. A range of 9 meters to connect to your lift prevents any unauthorized remote connection. CASCOS Cloud Server. From anywhere and with any device, you can see detailed reports on your lift's use and condition. CASCOS mobile application, pioneers in lifting.